Shit. Fish on. Dre got fish on, guys. Fish on. Woohoo! Fish on, gotcha. Alright, there you go. He's gone. Fish on. Fish on again. Thank you for joining the channel again. Just remember, guys, please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Add it like crack addict again, like Nigel Yaman TV. Big him up. Nigel went 100K. Big up yourself, Nigel. Congratulations. Me and Hotman Adventures here. And Hotman Adventures here with me this morning. Me and Hotman's going out this morning. Brian didn't really want to come this far this morning. He wanted to go the other direction, so I had to skip. Rasta had something to do, so you know I go already. Still got to touch the water. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to cast out a few here before we're going to move down the line, trying to hit this beautiful reef right here. There you go. That's our target. And we'll aim for barracudas, jacks, snappers, anything that we can get our hands on. But we got some weather out here, so we got to be careful this morning. So stay tuned, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. At it. Rocks. Like, at it. Woohoo! Bird's eye view. Ready up now. Alright, we want to see what's up. Spoon lure this morning, guys. Got Hartman Adventures here with us. And we want to see what we can pick up. Let's get out there, guys. Run that spoon lure back. Sun's not up fully yet, so I won't get the effect on the spoon lure like I normally get. Nothing there, guys. Not gonna get that effect. What is clear. Not gonna get much on this. Gotta have some kind of top water lure this morning, guys. We're gonna probably go down. That sun's not kicking out yet, guys, so I'm gonna wait up and not waste any more energy doing this, because this is gonna get me tired and I don't want that. So spoon lure going at it again this morning. I need that sun. If not, I'm gonna have to go high vis, which is like a yellow or something like that. Does it matter? Yes, it does. Try that direction and see what's up. I'll drop over there sideways, run across the waves. You know that wave's gonna push that 14-gram lure over there. Nothing. I think I better off walk that direction. I'm better off hitting something there. Get over there again, see what I can hit. Can the spoon lure work without sunlight? That's the question. The sun's definitely not up yet. Let's see if I can hit soft plastic down here. Yeah, this one got a little bite in it, but let's see if we can pop off the bottom here without getting stuck. Back at it like a crack addict. Bumbo. Raindrops falling on my head. Nothing. Adrian, nada. Not even a chase. Spoon lure. Soft plastic. Not yet. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna switch off and go top water lure. I don't think I want to try with a shallow diver without being able to see that water properly. Yeah, this is it. This should be the buck. The books that I'm looking for, man. We're gonna go with a fat boy, red and white. We lightened up the box a bit. We'll go with a red and white top water. And see if we can get this top water out there, guys. Top water popper. Raindrop. Oh dear. There, guys. So walking out to these reefs. Serious trekking out this motherfucker. Then you ever caught them gold shrimps yet? Huh? Huh? There's ways of doing it. They have this tube thing that they throw. Eh? Yeah, bait fish. So why are we not casting in those shallows, Ray? Yeah, but I'm just saying, why are we not casting in these shallows and passing it and going out here? Anyway, the bait fish is at is bigger fish. I got rocks in my water shoes already. It sucks. Like thick sand. I'm gonna have to take it out when I get to a spot where I can stand up. Mullet, right? Yeah, this is shallow, bad, Dre. I don't think we're gonna hit nothing here. This is shallow. Let's try though. Nothing try, nothing done. Huh? Yeah, very low. Very low. Let's go out. Where's your party at? Yeah, we're getting hooked on these. Running this top water lure. Heading for the reef, guys. Hartman Adventures. Jamaican shore fishing. This is what you call going at it the right way. Dre's always doing this. When I get out here, I'll change off this top water. I mean, even though I work on the jacks in the morning. Yep, and Barra. Do you have a Wiley, Dre? I said homeboy's scared to come out. He's scared to come out? Okay. He's gonna walk come out by himself? See those blue spots, Dre? Yeah. You see those clear blue spots? Those clear blue spots. Shark? Oh yeah, I remember that video. Yeah. He exploded on that load though, boy. Huh? I know, man. Are we, if you come out here, come hunt them? And we're not hunting them, we need to come out here and hunt them the right way, Dre. Yeah. What do you say, walk in these holes? No, no, I'm saying, are you walking all of them?
Yeah. I check them out.
Hold up, wait up for me. Trying to switch off lures here, Drake. To do what happened? What happened to it? Dead already? Died?
Yeah.
Just now?
Yeah.
You kidding me?
Right, plug in one night last night.
Brawling. Here guys, so I had to change to a... Oh shit. Huh? Yeah. I'm doing a shallow diver, huh? I was just doing a shallow diver for these spots right here, really. Hey guys, Dre just hooked onto something. We're trying to make it to the reef, but it's getting deeper and deeper and deeper. And I don't think... Hey. There's a drop off here. That's getting really deeper. Eek. Eek. Today was the expectation to get fully wet all the way up the chest today, but I'm trying not to. Because I got my keys, my bag, and everything. Oh, this racket that we're making. Shallow diver is not working out so good for me. Trying to keep it above water, guys. Well, not above water, but right under the surface.
No, lipless, huh?
Yeah, I got lipless lures. Fish on? Or grass. Grass keeps on tricking us. Because it drops off, then it comes back up. It drops off, then it comes back up. That's why we're trying to make it to this reef, guys. Which is real tricky. Because we have to find road to go there. And if tide catches us out here, we're going to have to probably swim in, which is a good 100 yards, 200 yards. Friggin' getting hitched on grass here. Pinche wind. Pinche. That's where we keep it exciting, guys. Hartman Adventures Jamaican shore fishing at it. Clark Legacy was supposed to be here, but kind of went a different direction, guys. Freaking tired. Right to say, I think we found it. We found a trail. Starting to see sea eggs. Good sign. Huh? Where? Here?
Right, that's in front there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, buddy.
Gotta definitely watch your step out here, guys. Especially in the type of water shoes that I'm in. They're very good, but they reach to the end of their limits. Should have known better than to come out here with these, but... Huh? This looks like spoon lure territory, Jay. Jay, we gotta go in between the breaks over there. And you gotta be careful every step of the way that you step here, guys. Believe you me, you're on a reef, you're on rocks, you fall here, you're gonna get hurt. So thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing. Hold on, let me pass you, Dre. Passing you. No, I'm gonna find me a level spot. I'm just moving in the clear away from you because the wave's gonna get in our way. I'm gonna switch off to my spoon lure, which is gonna give me a little distance. I don't wanna lose any of my good lures. Yeah, we're getting smashed by these waves. Yeah, the spoon lure I can control a little bit better on top of the water, guys. Same thing with my top water lures. Yeah, this is my killer right here. Alright, let's get hooked onto something, guys. We're gonna have to get that drop off. Let's get up there, guys. So, step before every wave. Get that footing in there. Alright. Spoon lure, guys. I just need a little sunlight. Nothing yet, guys. Nada, not yet. Not yet, man. But we're still trying, okay? We're still giving it a try, okay? No, yeah, we soon get something. We soon get something, man. No, already. I sunlight, I'll give you a beating. Give me some sunlight, baby. Give me some sunlight. Come on, Daddy, give me some sunlight. Father God, give me some sunlight. Alright, we're going to switch off back to the top water lure in a second. Because you can't really use a shallow diver here because you don't want it to get stuck on a reef. You're going to have to go out and get it. We'll switch off again. Sunlight's not out, it's giving me distance on this, but at the same time I'm not getting there, guys. This is it this morning on the reef. Oh shit, oh shit.
Are you ain't seen him?
Yeah. Top water. Switch off. Huh? Thanks, bro. A lot of practice. We'll eat. That boy spun around by it. Didn't go for it a while ago, though. Time to shift. I gotta find me a safe spot now to stand up again. Even though this is a very good spot. Legs are getting kind of tired though. Yeah, that water's slapping the hell out of me. I gotta get some better lower ground to stand up on. You know, I'm a short fellow. There goes Uncle Bertie and his second. We've been trying to get Uncle Bertie all morning, guys. Yeah, that what? Yo, dogs! This done now, my blood cleat. Bitches! You trying to wet me up? I'm gonna get soaked. Oh shit. I'm not trying to fall here, guys. The wave is like knocking me one way. Oh shit. Ah shit. Ah shit. Holy shit, it's cold. There goes another one. Yo, this is crazy. Shit, guys. I'm getting smashed here. Hot man, I'm getting smashed. Eh? Oh yeah? You Oh yeah? I make you get where?
20 feet in front time, you know.
I make you get where?
You know, pop this big ring, man.
Oh my god.
No. First time to say no. First time to say tomorrow, yeah, let's have 25.
Jaja.
Yeah, you want to say for having hook the sea, down the sea, hook the sea, down the sea.
Yo, this wave is slapping the shit out of me.
Yeah, go back on the flat if you want to.
It's slapping the hell out of me, bro.
Yeah. We can walk. Up and down.
Yeah. See him? See him? See him? Ano bara? Long jaw. He grabbed it. He didn't just strike it, he grabbed it and let it go. Don't want to use a diver out here because the diver is just going to get stuck. Eh? Fuck, man. Oh my god! Oh shit. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. Alright, we're going back in. Shit. What I didn't want happening. Even though everything here is in a waterproof bag. Soaked head to toe. So bad idea. Not good. What? When are you? It don't matter. As long as I'm not getting smashed by waves. As long as I'm not getting smashed by waves, I'm totally fine with that.
Small, you see wave them look. When you're actually over there, then tall.
Who? Barra? What's up, man? Morning. Jerry. Alright, cool. Let me see what's up. See if he's gonna be craving. Call that craving Barra if he can grab 2 times, man. Come on, where you at? Spoon lure. My killer lures there is out there. They're one of the most killer lures. Yeah. Crocodile back spoon. I killed every species on this lure already. 14 grams the cast that I get on it on a 10-pound line. It's serious. Hey, you see after them rocks right here? I guarantee you we're gonna pick something up in that little cove. See that little cove? Yeah. But remember I was telling you time was catching up on us, Dre? That is the problem. So we can hit this rock like this and catch that right there. Yeah? That means he's like a 5-pounder then, Dre. He's here. He's hanging out. Elephant like peanuts. Yeah, shore fishing. This is it. We're going at it today again, guys. Hartman Adventure Jamaican shore fishing. Hitting it up on these reefs. The water's a little bit sticky here to move across. Dre's going that way and I'm going this way. Trying to get up on the flats here, guys. Not get smashed by waves, but try to fish that inner cove over there. Whoop whoop. Yeah, Dre's moving a lot faster than me in the grass over there. Holy shit, look at that hole. What the hell could be down in there? Damn sea egg, that's about a monster size. I've never seen a sea egg that big before. Alright, now guys. Yeah, I need to navigate. Shore fishing. Woof, woof. Fish on. Dre got fish on, guys. Fish on. Where is he? Oh shoot. Dre got himself. What's that? Barra. Small barra. Andre got a barra, guys. That's what's up. What, he was a shallow diver and grabbed him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, Andre got one. Nice barra on a shallow diver.
Yeah, most one of them grabbing him with the, you know.
And there's gonna be one more over there again too.
They couldn't come off it.
Yeah man, and grab a good one. Boga yo. Craving rotted. That parade you. Dinner is served. Yeah. I'm gonna hit over here, Dre, and see what I can pick up.
Yeah.
Back on this side. Them rocks are treacherous to walk right there, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys, so. Yeah, Dre's using a shallow dive. I'm using a spoon lure this morning. I'm already soaked. Yeah, water is very low over there. Fish on. Woohoo! Fish on, gotcha. Dre!
Nice one.
Little small barra. Little bugger hit the spoon lure. You ain't getting away from the spoon lure. Let's get this guy. Yeah, guys. So, got ourselves a nice little barra here on the spoon lure, guys. Me and Dre. He got soaked. He got soaked. Bro! Striker! We'll let this one go though. There, guys. We'll let this guy go. There you go. Whoop, whoop. Oh man. Okay. Oh shit. Come on, let me get you up. Get you up. Get you going. Get you going. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Alright, there you go. He's going. He's like, Bishop too! Well, don't feel so bad. Yeah, man. Ah, damn grass. As somebody hit your grass, look while I need goes and lick it blood clean, you know. Bloop. Huh? Yeah. Damn sun, man. I want the sun to come out. That sun come out, I'm striking. How about that just swim off on you look while? How about that just swim so look while? Sitting big. Just go so.
Probably 4 fish.
No man, but that's sitting big and grey. I don't know damn stingray either.
Oh, stingray now, they're really the funny guys. Totally forgot to have a release camera around.
You're talking the DJI?
Yeah, the one a bit.
This?
When I release them.
Okay. Fish on again. Bang bang. Bup, bup. Yeah guys. He did it again. Go let him go. He's a small fella. That's what I love the spoon lure, man. The spoon lure is a killer. Come on, calm down, buddy. Calm down, let me get you out. Let me get you released. This one hooked the heck out of him, boy. Alright, there you go, fella. We're gonna get rid of this guy. We're gonna let him go. Let's get him under there. Let's get him under there. Alright, there you go.
There he is.
Going like, well, that's not the size we're looking for. Yeah.
Hey, you remember the log when you go?
Yeah.
Lose on permit right around the log on.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know how far the log there right now?
Where is it?
It almost, you see down away in hotel a bill, and little put.
Oh, I've seen it. Yes,
Is
it's
it
on
on
top of the rocks up there again. Yes, yes, I was on it. I was like, damn, bro, I lost the permit around it too.
Right,
Same way.
yeah.
Oh, bugger
How
grab.
far that blooming thing was gone.
Shore fishing. Battery's almost dead on this camera. We all the way out here on this reef. Yeah, big up to Yvette and Greg. Enough love and respect. Hartman Adventures with us, guys. We're outside on the reef, guys. 2-barrel hookup. Trey got 1-barrel hookup. The rest of the fellas back there. Let me see if I can get them in the camera frame here, guys. I'll catch you. There they go. Right there. They're back there. Alright? So stay tuned. Outside. I'm Jenna and I play a CMA. And I forgot to big them up, guys, but I'll close the video. They're having coffee, guys, so it's a coffee quiet moment. But don't worry, we can't. Jamaican Shore Fishing have fit them own coffee cup to, you know. Look, Jamaican Shore Fishing coffee cup logoed out. We're out here, guys. We have a thing. We have a coffee, hot and black, just like we like it. Heard that, ladies? Big up yourself. Fishing here, guys. Big up yourself. Hartman Adventures with us. We just finished doing that epic, exciting run out on the reef, wet up with clothes, catch 3 barra, him hook 1, me hook 2, look 1, and we let them go and thing. You know the vibes already, guys. We don't keep small fish. So big up yourself, guys. Stay tuned for the next epic, exciting hookups. Me and Hartman Adventure, we're gonna be doing it again soon. Next time we'll be a catch and cook, guys. We promise you that. Enough love, respect. Outside.